everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on an incredible journey from Barcelona to the stunning Montserrat Monastery. We can't wait to share this adventure with you. We're walking along Passage de Gràcia towards the train. It's already 7 in the morning, but it's still dark because it's winter. Here we are at Passage de Gràcia train station going to Plaza España station. From Plaza España station, we're taking the R5 line to Montserrat. Make sure to buy a round-trip ticket. It's super easy. The journey will take us about an hour, and make sure to sit at the left side of the train for the scenic views. All aboard! The train is pretty comfortable, and we're already starting to see some beautiful countryside. Look at those hills! Montserrat is famous for its unique rock formations, and we'll get a closer look soon. Fun fact! The name Montserrat literally means jagged mountain in Catalan, referring to its saw-like peaks. The mountain is made of pink conglomerate, a sedimentary rock, and has semi-rounded rock formations that resemble sandcastles. We've just arrived at Montserrat train station. We're so excited! The scenery here is so breathtaking. You can see the mountains right in front of us. From here, we'll take the Airy de Montserrat cable car up to the monastery. Here we are inside the cable car, and wow! Just look at this view. You can see the entire landscape unfold beneath us. It's a little nerve-wracking, but so worth it. Taking the cable car to Montserrat is not just a mode of transport, it's an adventure itself. It's important to note that the journey isn't for the faint-hearted. You'll be traveling 1,350 meters up the mountain in a small hanging car. If you're not afraid of heights, you should be in a really exhilarating experience. As you ascend, you'll feel your ears pop and experience a thrill as you soar up the mountainside. The cable car trip takes precisely 5 minutes. Upon arriving at Montserrat, you'll need to walk about 3 minutes up a slope and a set of stairs to reach the heart of the Montserrat Monastery. Unexpectedly, we saw a dance parade before reaching the monastery. The participants are wearing colorful costumes and traditional motifs. It's so cold here. It's currently 3 degrees Celsius, but thankfully the sun is shining brightly. The spectators cheer and dance along and celebrate the festive atmosphere. We're on our way to the monastery. Where else are we going but to church?
What?
Where else are we going but to church? We've made it to Montserrat Monastery. This place is absolutely magical. It's set against a dramatic backdrop of mountains, and the architecture is stunning. Let's take a look around. The monastery was founded in the 10th century and is home to the famous Black Madonna. There's so much history here. This has been an incredible day so far. The journey from Plaza España to Montserrat has been filled with beautiful views and rich culture. If you're going to Barcelona, this is a must-do. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel content. Tell us in the comments if you've been to Montserrat or plan to go. Until next time, happy travels! Love GLASavvy Vlogs!